road paved with dreams and fire, we embark on a journey unlike any other. Through the rain, through the storms, we climb ever higher, breaking the mold with each determined step. As we chase a future bright and bold, doubts linger behind us, left in the rear view. Windows down, hearts open, we scream and shout, united in our quest for greatness. Trust the journey, for there is no rest, only relentless pursuit of our shared dreams. With On Passive as our guiding force, we are geared to fly, reaching for the skies with unyielding trust. Founders united, we bond together, unwavering in our commitment to adjust, adapt, and overcome. Each mile, each corner brings new challenges and opportunities, but our headlights cut through the darkest night, illuminating the path ahead. Bound by hope, driven by immense dreams, we find sense in the journey. Never pausing, always pushing through, we know in our hearts that this is true. The road may twist, but we stand tall. On Passive leads us, one and all, united in purpose and vision. Together, we soar beyond limits, reaching for the sky. Founders united, unwavering in trust, we adjust, we adapt, and we triumph. This is our journey, and together we will succeed.